At the end of February 2018, in the state residence, the Malyi Mariyinsky Palace, a traditional summing up of the activities of Ukrainian enterprises was held. At the ceremonial meeting of the Assembly of Business Circles of Ukraine and the General Authority of International Image Program, leaders of the 21st century noted the best enterprises of the country, leaders of the Ukrainian economy. Their activities have made a significant contribution to the development of the state economy in 2017. The best representatives of business circles of industry, culture and science were awarded with accolades, orders and diplomas. Thanks to tireless activities of the ceremony, winners for the benefit of the Motherland, our country will be able to occupy a worthy place in the European and world community. In the speech of all members, it was noted that each enterprise laureate is primarily a person who led the company to well-deserved success. The TechEnergoProm Group's activities received high public awards once again. The best enterprise of Ukraine, TechEnergoProm Group, is awarded with a diploma. Dnipro City. The director of the enterprise, Savushkin Vadim Vitalyevich, is awarded with a medal for the revival of Ukraine. The award is given to the deputy director, Makovsky Vladislav Viktorovich.